Hello, welcome. This is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Pinke, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the Ethereum whales, they collecting Ethereum now after this big drop. You know, when it went down from 480 down to beginning of 300s. Like many people were selling, the whales were collecting. So this is about the first news. What's the first news is all about. The second news will be, I think, a very important thing for the project Unibright and for the industry as well, that the UB framework from Unibright is now for trial and purchase available on SAP App Center. And I'm going to talk about the Unibright project as well, because I think it's a quite useful thing and definitely adds something to the industry. And the third news will be about that Elrond's ERD token is now swapped to EGLD. And if you haven't done this swap, I will show you where you can do it so you can keep the value of your tokens and you can just simply continue. But this swap has happened just like, you know, when Polkadot swapped to new, dot swapped to new dot. I mean the Polkadot project. It's very, very similar thing. So everything is continuing just with a different token this time. So these will be in today's video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, but you're interested in blockchain and cryptocurrency, you would like to stay up to date every weekday, you would like to get the freshest and hottest cryptocurrency and blockchain news, then subscribe to this YouTube channel, blockchainbloom. Hit the notification bell so you get these videos as soon as they out. Because, you know, I put this on YouTube every weekday for you. And you should also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Plus, I'm offering you a totally free course. The link is right under this video. I want you to educate yourself all about how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. These are very important safety steps which are in this video. Really high quality material. So check it out. Download it. It's totally free, and it might protect your cryptocurrency and your personal data if you follow these steps, because many people leave them just out. Okay, and now let's move on how the market looks like at the present. So Bitcoin, it's still above 10,000, and this is great. You know, 10,200 at the moment, which is 0.2% increase. Ethereum, it's also staying around this level where it dropped back, so around 340 something, this time 43, which is a minus 1.21% decrease. When we're looking at the top gainers, we have Blockstack with 19%, Elrond 13%, UMA 12%. And then we have the losers, Hyperion minus 13%, DFI Money minus 11%, and Ampleford is right now minus 10%. And let's move now on the first news. And this is all about that, you know, the number of the Ethereum whales has actually now collected Ethereum instead of, you know, selling. Ethereum dropped like 30%. You know, it was kind of, when you check it out here, on the 1st of September at $480. And then, like everything now in the last couple of days, last week, came down. But, you know, Ethereum is such an undervalued quality token and project, by the way. And now it started to go sideways, and it, you know, it's established itself here somewhere around 350, a little bit under, a little bit above, but all around that. And hopefully now the next move will be back to the top. So now, therefore, a lot of whales, when it dropped back to 320, they said this is a great time to jump in. and therefore they bought, a lot. So many people started to sell because they said, "Oh my God, what's happening to Ethereum?" But if you're thinking about Ethereum in the long term, this is a project, and this is the baseline actually for DeFi projects. Ethereum 2.0 testnet is out since the 4th of August and performing really well. That means phase 0 and the staking, it's coming pretty soon. So actually, what's the old buzz around Ethereum, it's very, very positive. It all looks bullish. And now there was this huge discount because the price started to go up again. In March, everything dropped significantly. Ethereum as well. And then now it was coming back, but very slowly. And then really started to go a bit faster when Bitcoin reached also 12,000 level. And now, because everything dropped, the stock market dropped, gold dropped, these things dropped as well. Because we have to say that actually the cryptocurrency market is correlated right now to the S&P 500, to stock market. If that drops, this drops as well. We can see that it's long term, it's probably more correlated to gold. But if a sudden move happens on the stock market at the present, it looks like it's reacting in the same direction. Hopefully, in long term, it will be more correlated to precious metals. But right now, because of its small market cap, but the cryptocurrencies have, and also Bitcoin have, it moves together with it. So let's see what's happening today when the stock market opens. If things look bullish over there, then probably it will be a bullish case here in the cryptocurrency chart as well. So right now, they just hesitating, waiting. Now this big, massive drop, what happened, last week, it has slowed down. It's a little bit up, little bit down, little bit up, little bit down, mostly sideways. Some of the projects are going a bit up. Some of them, they're going a bit down, but nothing significant. Okay, so this was the first I wanted to talk about. And also, by the way, just continuing this whole thing, on little bit talk about Bitcoin. And now they're saying that Bitcoin has actually kind of established itself around 10,000. Really, it's not going under 10,000, even just slightly a little bit, and then it straight comes back. And this is really good. And in this article, on Cointelegraph's article, they're talking about that actually right now that Bitcoin is reaching the 5K, so kind of dropping again like 50%. It's less likely that Bitcoin will reach 100K. So, and there is actually on Bitfinex at 8,800, a huge, many whales have put already buy orders at this level, which means if Bitcoin somehow would get to this level, end of the 8,000s, so 8,800, around that, then it will push back the price because the whales will start to buy. There are many orders already fixed, and that. But now the chance, especially when the stock market plays well today and the next couple of days, that will turn the direction, and then then we really could say that last week it was a great shopping week, a great Black Friday period, and now we can again make some gains. But nobody knows the future. We'll see. But these are just theories. Okay. And now the second news is, let's move actually to here, and then I will. So all about Unibright, and this is that Unibright framework from UB framework from Unibright is now available in trial and also in purchase version on the SAP App Center. And Unibright is such a great project. Basically, it makes it easy to integrate blockchain technology into existing businesses. And check it out. Actually, here is the chart of Unibright. So now recently you can see this is here the beginning of the year, and you could see that actually it started very well, but of course this March thing hit everything and hit Unibright as well. But it came back, and how well it came back. And now it was again a nice discount because it was on the 4th of August it was at 0.55, and then it came back all to 0.30. Now it's actually going up in the last 24 hours, a nice gain because of this news, actually 27%. So as you can see, this is the news, and here are all the advantages what UB framework makes available. And it's very important. There's a no-code approach enabling integrations of businesses process into blockchain without a single line of code. So makes life very easy. You have visual business process modeling and code generation enabling reducing and implementations cost for smart contracts. So reducing basically the cost. You have ready-to-use templates for different use cases. You have automatic connections to SAP technology and off-chain systems. And very important that adapters and templates use the public Ethereum mainnet. And, to be honest with you, here, this is all about the same, just like I went on this page a bit soon, that Coca-Cola also teamed up with Unibright and Kona, which is like a bottling company for Coca-Cola, partner for the largest United States-based Coca-Cola bottling company, will use the baseline protocol. And the baseline protocol was launched back in March by Microsoft, Ernst & Young, and Consensus. And and it's very important that they started with a private blockchain back a year ago with Hyperledger Fabric. But now what's happening now, it's actually in a public blockchain available on the Ethereum mainnet and all these kind of use cases. And this could be actually the future. And therefore, I personally think that UBT, so Unibright token, can work pretty well. You can see how it came up, and now it's just delivering and delivering and delivering. And the most important in the project, if something delivers so well and it has a great use case, great business use case, makes life very easy, therefore it looks promising. Not financial advice, you decide. I just personally think when you're looking at the tons of alts, which are altcoins, which are out on the market, how to select, and the way to select that you do your research and check out each project, which are the quality ones. And if you find one, then I would bet rather on those that ones which just, came out like sushi and all these things and then they just disappear, or hot dog came out and disappeared, nothing behind it. This is a real cool DeFi project. It's very, very great. Okay. And it's just all about the same here. Yeah, just on a different side. And the third news, it's all about, Elrond. And what I wanted to mention that this kind of swap between ERD and EGLD has happened. And it was, on the 4th of September. So now the thing is, if you have Elrond, originally you bought ERD, then you should swap your tokens to EGLD. For instance, if you had it on the exchange because you just bought it and you haven't moved it from there, then, for example, on Binance, then it happened automatically, okay? So you don't have to worry about that. However, if you have them, then first of all, here on the Elrond.com, you can find this. And it's all about how the swap has to go, right? You can see a video. They show a video about it. And here is a step-by-step guide. By the way, the swap ratio is now 1,000 ERD became 1 EGLD. Okay, so this is now the rate. So now you will see less. I show you that's how the original looked like. the Elrond ERD. Now here on CoinGecko, you just have all this question mark because it's kind of vanished away. It's like not available anymore. And now this, you can see it was 0.02 something dollar, and now you can see it became $14. It dropped a little bit, but now it's coming back. When you check now when we checked at the beginning who are the winners, Elrond was really among the top 3. So it's now coming back, and now you can do even more things with this. So the project, it's really improving, which is again a very, very good thing. Just I wanted to let you know that if you have ERD, then you should swap it to EGLD if you haven't done, and if the guide is on Elrond.com website. Here you can see it. It's a really nice step-by-step one, and then you will ever get everything right. Okay, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like the content, smash the like button. I highly appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, but you're interested in blockchain and cryptocurrency, then you should definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to get the notice immediately when I put this video on YouTube. And I put these videos every weekday from Monday to Friday. You're getting this high quality content, the freshest and crispiest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on blockchainbloom. And you should also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Don't forget about the free course. The link is right here below. And it's all about how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. A lot of valuable information. And guys, I see you tomorrow. Hopefully, have a great day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.